Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone 8 and 8 Plus black screen issue. iPhone 8 or 8 Plus goes black screen unresponsive screen issue on iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. If you are facing this issue, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Let's it charge. The first method when finding your iPhone 8 or 8 Plus screen is black and unresponsive is to get the device charged in time. If the battery draining out is the issue origin, the black screen on iPhone 8 or 8 Plus should you go away performing a charge. If you do not see the charging screen after a minute, you may check the jack USB cable and ensure that everything works fine and charge is original. Number second is force restart in iPhone. Your iPhone 8 will get stuck on black screen. After charging, you may need force restart your device. Always work if their software crash. Guessing your iPhone screen freeze and turn black. A force restart won't touch any data on your device. Here's how to fix this issue. Number one is simply force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up and button, volume down button, and press the power button. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Can see appears on screen. Fix your black screen problem if solution number 2 is not working. Now applying this solution number 3 is connect your iPhone with iTunes and download the firmware and install firmware again and fix your problem. Solution number 3 is not working. Now apply the solution number 4. Number 4 is restore iPhone. For iPhone recovery mode, simply get in recovery mode. iPhone get in recovery mode and restore it. If all solutions are not working, now visit the nearest Apple store and solve your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone screen goes black iPhone 8 and 8 Plus issue. That is it. After watching this video how to fix black screen issue on iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. If video is helpful for you, please do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.